Always on the go? Work while
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Moore County until 9:45 a.m. At 9:17 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northwest of Pinehurst, or 12 miles southwest of Carthage, moving north at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Moore County, including the following locations: Highfalls, Eagle Springs, Robbins, and Seven Lakes. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. for the following county: Moore, North Carolina.
Mike and Amanda, 94.7 QDR.
the rates are great.